They said they took it from a legal pad that literally said legal on it. Diddy's lawyer handed it to the judge and said, "No, Your Honor, this is what they took." And the judge was shocked, as were others, of like,
y'all, it's been a crazy few days for Sean Diddy Combs and his legal team, and they ain't smiling at the recent turn of events as the judge in the case is demanding answers for an obvious fast play and some handwritten notes from the rapper's cell. According to the prosecutors, the jailhouse notes show Diddy tried to pay some witnesses and also influenced the media from behind bars, which has gotten a lot of buzz from the internet. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty deets of this whole situation about Diddy lying in court to get bail and how things went south before he could say Jack Frost. So, the judge overseeing Diddy's case had initially asked that the note found in his cell be destroyed, and for a moment there, it seemed like Diddy's dream of getting bail was about to become a reality. Now it seems like Diddy and his legal team had planned this all along, as they wanted a gag order in order to keep whatever they were doing away from the public eye, but that didn't work out. Also, following the hearing in federal court in Manhattan on Tuesday, the defense lawyers argued that Diddy's white cardboard-bound legal pads, which were photographed a month ago during a prison raid, had the word legal clearly handwritten on them. Now, Combs' lawyer, Mark Agnifilo, argued that the prosecutor's possession of these photographs, despite a clear warning of legal being written on them, violated attorney-client privilege. He also pointed out that it was a ground to having the case dismissed, but boy, did things take a nosedive as the assistant U.S. attorney, Christy Slavic, said the photographs and other materials were not privileged communication, adding that it wasn't clear when the legal label was even added to them. And that wasn't all. According to the judge, Diddy's lawyers presented the court with an intact legal pad with legal written on them, but the photographs in the court's possession had no such label, so someone was definitely trying to play a fast one. The hearing ended up being rescheduled, and I'm sure Diddy and his legal team must have felt really dumb for a sec for making such a move, as the court asked that at the next hearing, Diddy and his team address the court on how the label legal appeared on their notepads, but not on the copies in the court's possession. Now, y'all, it's obvious that Diddy and his legal team are currently up to something no good, but what's ridiculous is how they are going about it. Also, let's not forget that he was also trying to find a way to pay a potential witness to discredit one of his victims in court. Now, that's just going below the belt, and it's really disappointing to say the least. But if you think that's bad enough, then wait until you hear how he tried to get his kids to tell the world that he was innocent after wishing him a happy birthday. Now, there's nothing wrong with your kids wishing you a happy birthday while you're in jail, but what's unacceptable is making them lie. But what do y'all think about this entire situation? Do you think Diddy's tricks and games will sail, or do you think the hands of justice is going to catch him either way? Now,